पुरानी दिल्ली की समृद्ध सांस्कृतिक विरासत और आतिथ्य परंपरा को केंद्र में रखते हुए आज ओमेक्स चौक, चांदनी चौक स्थित खातिरदारी रेस्टोरेंट में एक विशेष संडे लंच इनविटेशन कार्यक्रम का आयोजन किया गया। इस विशेष आयोजन में प्रसिद्ध ग्लोबल लग्जरी ब्रांड कंसल्टेंट डॉक्टर माधवी अडवाणी ने शिरकत की और उपस्थित अतिथियों के साथ अपने अनुभव एवं विचार साझा किए। दोपहर 12 बजे से 3 बजे तक चले इस विशेष कार्यक्रम का उद्देश्य विभिन्न क्षेत्रों से जुड़े प्रतिष्ठित व्यक्तियों, उद्यमियों, सामाजिक हस्तियों और ब्रांड विशेषज्ञों को एक मंच पर लाकर सार्थक संवाद, नेटवर्किंग और विचार विमर्श को बढ़ावा देना था। कार्यक्रम के दौरान अतिथियों को पुरानी दिल्ली की पारंपरिक मेहमान नवाजी और विशेष व्यंजनों का अनुभव भी कराया गया। डॉक्टर माधवी अडवाणी ने लग्जरी ब्रांडिंग, वैश्विक बाजार में भारतीय ब्रांडों की संभावनाओं तथा प्रभावी नेटवर्किंग के महत्व पर अपने विचार साझा किए। उन्होंने कहा कि आज के प्रतिस्पर्धी दौर में व्यक्तिगत संबंध और सार्थक संवाद किसी भी पेशेवर सफलता की मजबूत नींव होते हैं। कार्यक्रम में उपस्थित अतिथियों ने विभिन्न सामाजिक, व्यावसायिक और सांस्कृतिक विषयों पर चर्चा की तथा एक दूसरे के अनुभवों से सीखने का अवसर प्राप्त किया। आयोजन का माहौल बेहद आत्मीय और सौहार्दपूर्ण रहा, जहां प्रतिभागियों ने नए संपर्क स्थापित किए और भविष्य में सहयोग की संभावनाओं पर विचार विमर्श किया। ओमेक्स चौक प्रबंधन की ओर से बताया गया कि इस प्रकार के विशेष आयोजनों का उद्देश्य राजधानी के सांस्कृतिक और व्यावसायिक समुदाय को एक साथ लाना तथा चांदनी चौक की ऐतिहासिक पहचान को आधुनिक दृष्टिकोण के साथ प्रस्तुत करना है। कार्यक्रम का आयोजन ओमेक्स चौक, चांदनी चौक स्थित खातिरदारी, दूसरी मंजिल, दिल्ली 6 में किया गया। यह एक विशेष आमंत्रण आधार।
Hi, I'm Dr. Madhvi Advani. I'm a global luxury brand consultant. और आज यहाँ ओमेक्स मॉल चांदनी चौक में बहुत ही अच्छा मीट एंड ग्रीट एंड गेट टुगेदर ऑर्गेनाइज किया गया बाय द लग्जरी को डॉट बिज कंपनी एंड द लग्जरी क्लब। I would like to thank the owners and the Omex Mall for hosting it very beautifully with the Delhi 6th cuisine. To all our people who visited, a lot of dignitaries came. We had some MPs, IG and industrialists, jewelers from every vertical, every industry, wedding company people. Thanks to German Mind for being the gift sponsor, and also a book has been given to them which is offered by me on Mantras for Success. It was a lovely event, very good networking, social networking, meet and greet of like-minded people, good profiles, and also the Omex Mall got very good visibility with the right set of people. Like they had never visited and people didn't know such a beautiful mall exists in a place like Chandni Chowk, which is so chaotic, and this is such a different luxury mall right here with everything that you get in Chandni Chowk. You have Tarun Tahiliani here, you have everything related to wedding industry A to Z in this mall, and people had a great experience. So one was that they could come and also see the mall and know about the mall. Other is that if people are wanting to take it on, buy the property here and put it on rent and get the monthly rentals from it. So that was the idea and concept of today's event, and it's been a very successful event. Thank you.
As you know, I am Dr. Narendra Singh Khurana, and we are working hard to connect 6 billion people around the world with Peace with Prosperity project. That's why we are collaborating and promoting big organizations like BRICS, G20, and of course World Bank. Ajay Banga ji, who is our role model, who is practically helping the whole world with a concept which is Sarbat Ka Bhala, because his post itself is helping the whole world. And to come to India and meet Madhvi ji regarding the luxury club, we want to help India as well through our connections and through our Billionaires Club, like Google Flex Smiles Party Billionaires Club, with a vision where smile is a currency and love is the price. And it's always, if you want to become a devil, you have to pray, because devil are the people who first achieved God, then they became devil. So without prayer, it's very difficult to impress God. So when God gets impressed, then he allows you to become devil. So this is the concept what we say. We keep on fighting who is right, who is wrong in this world. But ultimately, you cannot create a city without a devil lifestyle. What we have seen in last, like Ram Rajya, जब इंडिया की हम बात करते हैं, so if we cannot see Ram Rajya practically in thousands of years, so unless devil approve it. So till today, devil has not approved or allowed us to create Ram Rajya without his products. So unless we market his product, we cannot create a city. That's what I was trying to explain, Prime Minister of India. I practically want to create a Ram Rajya. We need approval from devil. so that his product cannot be sold in the city, then only this Ram Rajya can be worked, because it's not in your hand, because you need money, you need GDP, you need to grow India, and without devil business you cannot do it. So practically first we have to learn what is right, what is wrong, and there is nothing right and wrong in this world, because thousands of years people are debating about it, and we need a new lifestyle of luxury, we need a new way of luxury, and that's what we have a vision with Madhvi ji, to create a luxury club which makes real sense, and that's why we have different clubs around the world. I have been collaborating, if you know my profile and details and business partners, because I have NDA signed, so I cannot disclose everybody's name, because this is a big plan to connect 6 million people. It's bigger than Facebook, Insta or internet, what you say. Internet is created on 0-1 coding. So we are creating a technology which starting from scratch, and same way the first civilization was created 50,000 people when this earth was practically formed, and now we are rebuilding the civilization form so that people can understand practically what model we should adopt, what is the City of Peace franchise model. And for that we need really, do we need devil products to build this concept or not? This is a debate going on with BRICS, G20 and World Bank, so that we can get approved the model without devil products, or if we need it, so officially we should be doing it. So we should not be doing it hidingly, or we should not be scared that we are doing good or bad, because we cannot live without these products, what these cities have been working even daily, or any city in the world you see, these products always are there in every city.
An event. We do curated events and weddings across the world. And today I'm part of this event organized by Madhvi on behalf of the Luxury Club. The event was very good, met very nice people, and understood more about their business, told them about mine, and very meaningful conversations we had. So I think a wonderful afternoon spent with all of them, and I look forward to more such events in future as well. Thank you. So I am so honored to be a part of this event. Madhvi ji is a wonderful person, very humble and very kind. And I am here on behalf of Gem Mines. We offer gemstones, crystals, Rudraksh, anything in that field, which is also a way of representing luxury, is what I feel. It is a very good representative of the club. कि club represents luxury और हमारा काम भी पूरा उसी field में है. So I think I'm very happy to be associated with this team. I am Advocate Dr. Neelam Mansharamani, and this was an invite from Madhvi. It was very nice to be here. This Omax mall is very nice and pretty. और सारा इसमें दिल्ली 6 का we enjoyed the food, and Madhvi is a very sweet person who takes care of all her guests when they come. God bless her. God bless us all. Thank you.
मेरा नाम प्रणय राय है। आज जो लग्जरी ब्लिस माधवी ने जो इवेंट कराया है, वो इवेंट बहुत ही अच्छा था। बहुत सारे लोग अच्छे डिग्निटीज हमारे पास आए और बहुत सारे लोगों के साथ हमने बहुत अच्छा टाइम स्पेंड किया। थैंक यू सो मच माधवी मैम एंड लग्जरी ब्लिस फॉर अरेंजिंग गुड इवेंट हियर। थैंक यू।
और माधवी जी से मैं कई सालों से जुड़ा हूँ और बहुत अच्छा इनका क्लब है, बहुत अच्छे लोग यहाँ बनते हैं, और आज का भी जो कार्यक्रम हुआ है ये बेहतरीन है, बहुत लोग आए हैं, मैं बड़ा इम्प्रेस हूँ। थैंक यू वेरी मच।